Hello, good day viewers. Here is another absolute value inequality problem. We want to solve the absolute value of 5x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 plus 2 less than or equal to 1. Remember, I told you the absolute value is a piecewise function. It could be negative or positive, right? So let us first of all consider it as positive. So we have 5x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 plus 2 less than or equal to 1. We can clear the fraction by multiplying all terms by 2x plus 1. So if you multiply the first term by that, you will be only left with numerator 5x minus 1 plus you take 2, you multiply by the whole of this, you're going to obtain 4x plus 2 less than or equal to 1 multiplied by the whole of this, which is the same thing as 2x plus 1. Let us collect the like terms. We have 5x plus 4x making 9x. Then negative 1 plus 2 is positive 1 less than or equal to 2x plus 1. If you bring 2x to the left, you take 1 to the other side. You have 9x minus 2x less than or equal to 1 minus 1, and 7x less than or equal to 0, which implies that x is less than or equal to 0. So what about the other condition where we're going to consider it as negative? We are going to consider this as negative 5x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 plus 2, right? Less than or equal to 1. If you multiply both sides by negative, you have 5x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 plus 2. The direction of the inequality will change, right? You have 5x minus 1 plus you take 2, you multiply by the whole of this. You have 4x plus 2 greater or equal to negative 1 times the whole of this. You're going to obtain negative 2x negative 1. Collect the like terms. We have 5, 4 making 9. We have 9x here. Negative 1, positive 2 is 1. We have 1 here. Greater or equal to negative 2x minus 1. Bring negative 2x to the left. You have 9x plus 2x. Greater or equal to, take 1 to the other side. You have negative 1, negative 1. This is 11x greater or equal to negative 2. Divide both sides by 11. You have x greater or equal to negative 2 divided by 11. Remember that our first solution was x less than or equal to 0, right? So these are the two solutions we have, and we can plug them on the number line. If you have negative 2 divided by 11 here, you have 0 here because 0 is greater. So for any value of x less than or equal to 0, it means we have our arrow pointing to the left, right? And for any value greater or equal to negative 2 over 11, we have our arrow here pointing to the right hand side, which implies that we have only solution at the center here, from negative 2 over 11 to 0. So you can either write it in an inequality notation or in an interval notation. Let us include the two. For an inequality, you have negative 2 divided by 11 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. And the other one, x belongs to the set of numbers from negative 2 divided by 11 down to 0 inclusive. So this is our solution. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.